Imagine this. You have landed in London, Toronto, Sydney or Dublin. After a long day of classes, all you want is a steaming plate of dal-chawal or maybe a hot Maggi, just like you make at home. But when you walk into the supermarket abroad, reality hits. A packet of Maggi that costs you rupees 15 in India might cost you rupees 100 abroad. So the big question is, what does Indian food actually cost abroad? And can you really survive without Maggi? Let's break it down. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your foodie friends and subscribe for more real-life student survival guides abroad. Moving to part number 1, grocery shopping abroad. When you study abroad, your weekly groceries will be a mix of local staples, bread, milk, fruits, pasta, eggs, and Indian essentials like rice, atta, dal, masalas. Here's what you can expect in that. Rice, which is a 5 kg bag in India that costs you around rupees 300 to 400, but in abroad, it costs you in between 1000 to 1500 depending on brand and store. Wheat flour, 10 kg atta packet, in India 5 to 600, whereas in abroad it's 2000 to 2500. Dal, say 1 kg, India 120 to 150, but in abroad that same dal will cost you in between 500 to 700. Cooking oil, 5 liters, India 700 to 900, but in abroad 2500 to 3000. Indian spices, masala packs, abroad each small box can cost you 300 to 400 compared to 40 to 60 rupees in India. And yes, Maggi. In India, rupees 15 per pack, whereas in abroad it will be 80 to 120 rupees per pack. In Indian stores even, sometimes even 150 if imported. So the lesson is Indian groceries are available, but they are 3 to 4 times the price of what you are used to in India. Part 2, eating out. Indian restaurants but in abroad. Sometimes you will be too tired to cook. Here's what eating out looks like. A simple thali in India which costs you around 200 to 300, but in abroad it will cost you in between 1000 to 1500. A chicken biryani, India it's 250, but in abroad it's for 1200 to 1800. Talking about, let's say, paneer butter masala with naan. In India, it will be around 300 to 400 rupees, but in abroad, it will cost you somewhere in between 1500 to 2000. Let's say masala dosa. India, it will cost you 150, but in abroad, the same dosa will be for 900 to 1200. And chai. In India, 10 rupees or 20 rupees, of course, we all know that, but in abroad, that same chai will be costing you rupees 300 to 400 for chai latte. So eating out frequently abroad is a luxury. Most students eat out once a week maximum. Moving to part 3, monthly food budget if you cook at home, which almost every student learns to do. Groceries plus occasional eating out equals to 20,000 to 25,000 per month abroad. Compare that to India, where the same food might cost you 6,000 to 8,000 per month. So yes, your stomach is a lot more expensive abroad. Part 4, survival without Maggi. Now let's answer the emotional part of this video. Can you survive without Maggi? Like literally? So here's the truth. Maggi is available in every major country, in Indian, Asian stores, or sometimes even in regular supermarkets. But the price is high. Many students buy it only as a comfort food when they are homesick. Most students quickly learn to make alternatives like pasta, instant noodles, fried rice or bulk cooking dal-chawal for the week. So here's a survival tip. Bring some Maggi masala packets from India. You can add them to pasta or rice abroad to recreate the taste of home without paying rupees 100 per pack. Now going to hacks to save money on food abroad. Shop at local supermarkets. Buy vegetables, fruits, milk, bread from local chains like Tesco, UK, Walmart in Canada or US, Countdown, New Zealand, Coles or Woolworths in Australia. They are cheaper than Indian grocery stores. Secondly, go to Indian Asian stores only for essentials. atta, masala, dal. Yes, buy here. But don't do full grocery runs in these stores, it will kill your budget. Cook in bulk. Meal prep on weekends. Cook large portions of dal, curry or sabzi, refrigerate, freeze and save both time and money. Now share with roommates. Share oil, rice, spices and groceries with flatmates. Splitting costs saves a lot. Learn quick recipes before leaving India, like basics like dal, sabzi, roti, paratha, pulao, upma, poha. It can save you literally. So trust me, you will thank yourself later. Coming to part 6, the emotional reality. For many Indian students, food is the biggest cultural shock. You won't find fresh samosas on every street corner there. You will crave pani puri at midnight and you wouldn't find it. And yes, Maggi will become a luxury snack, not a daily habit. But here's the flip side. You will learn cooking skills, you will start trying cuisines from other cultures too. And slowly you will find your rhythm balancing Indian comfort food with affordable local meals. So let's wrap it up. Indian groceries are 3 to 4 times costlier abroad. Eating out is 5 to 6 times costlier. But monthly food budget will be 20,000 to 25,000 if you cook, more if you eat out often. Maggi is available everywhere, but it's a luxury. You can survive without it, though every Indian student will tell you it's just not the same. So yes, Indian food abroad is expensive, but with smart shopping, meal prep and occasional indulgence, you can survive comfortably with or without Maggi. But let's be honest, sometimes one plate of Maggi at ₹100 abroad is worth 1,000 rupees because it tastes like home actually. So if this video gave you a reality check, do hit the like button, share it with your friends who loves Maggi and don't forget to subscribe for more practical student survival guides abroad. And in the comments tell me, which Indian dish would you miss the most if you moved abroad?